you're liking it for the dancing, and now we heard that you're liking it for the music. Okay, so when can we expect to hear your music?
I expect for the music. I like it. I like it for the dancing. Now for the songs, always must going for the road.
Okay. Do you have an album?
Album. We do have an album. We're starting now this year. This album.
And when are you gonna release the album?
The SK, me and SK.
Yeah. When are you going to release it?
Release it when last month.
Also, the album is already out.
It's not already out. Now we must starting for the already out for the albums.
Oh, okay, all right.